Hey there, fellow online shoppers. Have you ever bought something on PayPal only to realize it was a total letdown? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple process of getting a refund. In this video, we'll cover everything step by step, so you can reclaim your money quickly and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to act fast because PayPal has a time limit on refunds, usually within 180 days of the transaction. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, head over to the Activity tab. This is where you'll find a list of all your recent transactions. Scroll through until you spot the one you want to dispute. Now, before jumping into a full dispute, check if the seller offers their own refund policy. Click on the transaction details and look for a Contact Seller option. Send them a polite message explaining the issue and request a refund directly. Sometimes, sellers are happy to resolve things amicably to keep their ratings high. If that doesn't work, it's time to file a dispute. Go back to the transaction and select Report a Problem or File a Dispute. PayPal will ask you to describe what went wrong. Be clear and concise. Upload any evidence you have, like photos, emails, or receipts, to strengthen your case. This could make all the difference in getting approved. Once your dispute is filed, PayPal will review it and contact the seller for their side of the story. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, you can escalate it to a claim within 20 days of filing the dispute. PayPal's team will then investigate further, and if they rule in your favor, your refund should hit your account soon after. A few quick tips. Always keep records of your communications, and remember, PayPal's buyer protection covers most purchases, but not everything like digital goods without issues. There you have it. That's how you get a refund on PayPal. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.